Hello, I will demo how to camel debug a camel route using Camel Quarkus inside VS Code. So for that, you need to have the debug adapter for Apache Camel by Red Hat, and you need a relatively recent Camel Quarkus version, so the 2.12.0. Here I'm using the Tamerlog example from the Camel Quarkus example repository, to which we need to add a little dependency only with a specific profile that we want only when we want to debug, which is a Camel Quarkus debug deployment. And then, okay, we are ready to launch, to start the application. So to start the application, in my task, I can create a task. There is a completion for that, which is providing it with the profile activated and starting the Camel Quarkus application. But what we need is also to attach the Camel debugger automatically. So the idea is that I create a launch configuration which is starting the application and attaching the debugger. So I will need to pick the label here of my task to say, okay, start it before I attach the debugger. And here we go. If I run and debug, go to my route, I can see maybe that it is starting. And when it will have started and the debugger will be ready, we will stop on the breakpoint. And we can then inspect the value of it. So we have one route which is stopped and other routes that are triggered. So yeah, now you can enjoy your debug session to debug your Camel Quarkus routes.